I explained to you that we want to understand clearly who's responsible, who's culpable. Second, the Prime Minister apologizes for what has happened. And third was the issue of the Ram Temple theft, which Kharge ji has elaborated upon. People very close to the Prime Minister have stolen from the Ram Mandir. These are the three issues. So now Mr. Amit Shah suddenly saying that he is ready to speak. We're not interested in his fantasy conversations. We're interested in whether he authorized or didn't authorize the shooting of our children. First, he should make that abundantly clear. After that, the question of any discussion arises. That is the situation. And that is what the opposition is demanding. That is what we've been demanding for the last 15 days. And that is what we are continuing to demand. The other thing I'd like to point out is the character of the Prime Minister and the Home Minister. For 15 days, neither of them has had the courage, and I'm saying courage and stressing courage, neither of them has had the courage to come to the House. Neither of them has had the guts to own up to what they have done. So that is for our students to see and understand that neither the Home Minister of this country nor the Prime Minister of this country think that what was done to you in Delhi, the brutality that was carried out in Delhi, is worth commenting on. This is what the real issue is. Now, if you have any questions.
ANI
सर, आप कह रहे हैं तीनों बातें आपकी नॉन निगोशिएबल हैं। सरकार ने अपना रुख क्लियर कर दिया है, अब 2 दिन ही बचे हैं। तो हम माने कि जो अब तक स्थिति थी, आप लोगों की स्थिति 2 दिन बरकरार रहेगी, तो पूरा सदन, पूरा जो ये सेशन है, पूरी तरीके से वॉश आउट रहा। और सरकार ये कह रही है अपोजिशन ने नहीं चलने दिया।
नहीं, मैं हिंदी में बता देता हूँ, रिपीट कर देता हूँ। तो देखिए, शुरुआत में 15 दिन पहले हमारी पोजीशन थी कि होम मिनिस्ट्री से पैलेट गन चलाने का, कील वाली लाठी चलाने का ऑर्डर आया था, और पूरे देश ने देखा कि हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को मारा गया, पैलेट गन से अंधा किया गया।